In this video, I will show you how to log out Gmail from your phone. The steps are so simple to follow. Make sure to watch the video to the end. First of all, go and open your Gmail app. After you open your Gmail app, tap on this profile icon at the top right side. So in this section now, select the Gmail account that you want to log out. So for me, I want to log out on this one. After you select the Gmail account, tap on this profile icon again. So scroll to down and tap on this manage account on this device. So now in this section, we have to now scroll to down. If you scroll to down, as you can see now, you can be able now to see the Gmail account. As you can see here is Gmail account. So tap on it. After you select the Gmail account, now tap on this remove button. Tap on this remove again. So as you can see now I remove the Gmail account. So now if I go back, so as you can see now, if I tap on this, as you can see now, here is Gmail account. I now remove the Gmail account on my phone. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you. If you have any question, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.